Here we have for sale our October 2021 on a 71 plate Volkswagen Transporter. This is the T6.1, so the facelifted 6th generation of the Volkswagen Transporter. This is a T30 model, which means it's got a 3-ton gross vehicle weight. It's got the 2-litre bi-turbo TDI Euro 6 diesel engine producing 204 PS, which is roughly 204 brake horsepower. That is accompanied with the fantastic 7-speed DSG Automatic gearbox in this particular example. And this started its life as a short wheelbase Highline panel van finished in the ever popular Ascot Grey, and but as of course is no longer just a Highline panel van. So what we're going to do in this video is have a little walk around. I'll show you the spec that you get on a Volkswagen Transporter Highline panel van of this age. I'll talk you through all of the optional extras on this particular example, because this one was spec'd brand new by the previous owner, and there are lots and lots of options on this particular van to run through. We'll also then talk you through the full conversion that has been done to this vehicle in the back, and also all the styling. We'll have a closer look at the condition, also talk you through the service history, seeing as the vehicle is currently available for sale with us here at Bridgend Van Centre at the time of recording. First thing to note is there is no VAT on this particular example. Reason being, the one owner from new was not VAT registered, which means that they can't then charge VAT on something that they haven't paid VAT on. So no VAT on this particular example, which I think is a big bonus. If you're looking at this van as a non-VAT registered person yourself, as a private individual, then this could be a great opportunity for you. So starting here then at the rear of the vehicle, we can see that this one of course is spec'd with rear barn doors. So barn doors are 2 doors which open in that sort of fashion. You can also see there's glass all around in this van. So it's got rear windows there, which you can see are genuine windows. You can see right the way through. It has got rear glass here, but this will be sort of fake glass effectively. It's real glass, but it's a sort of a blanking plate, which basically gives you that continuation. But then these, of course, flush side opening windows have been fitted there, and that just gives you this really nice continuation around the side of the van. You can also see then at the top, you can see there's a nice rear spoiler which has been added there, all of course in the body colour, which I say in this case is Ascot Grey. You've got the nice carbon fibre effect rear bumper protector there, which is another nice touch which has been added. But in terms of optional extras, you can see this one has been spec'd with a reversing camera, which is of course always nice to see. And this one was also spec'd from new with the Volkswagen detachable tow bar. So you've got the 13-pin electrics underneath there as well. Also at the back, you can also see it was spec'd from new with mud flaps as well. If we open up the rear doors, then we can start to have a look inside the back of the van. This is where you can see where things are far from standard. So when you open up the rear doors, you've got this little press icon there. Give that a little press, of course, and that allows you to open the rear doors right out to their full 180-degree position like so. And of course you can do exactly the same with both of the rear doors like that, then giving you maximum accessibility into the back. In the back of here then, this has had a fantastic full Kombi conversion in the back of here. So you can see it has been completely carpeted. So you've got carpet to the rear doors, full carpet lining inside here with a very nice Volkswagen embossment there on both sides of the van. You've also then got a full headlining in here with the LED spotlights as well. You've got the proper soft touch rubber flooring, which is very nice, and of course you've got the tie down points as well dotted around inside the back. But yeah, looking at the condition here of the threshold, the floor, of course all the carpet lining, it's looking very smart indeed. And you can see then that we have also got a 2+1 split rear seating configuration in the back of this van with genuine Volkswagen seats, which is of course very nice to see. But yeah, in terms of condition here, looking really smart. All the little holes that you get on the back of these little doors all been nicely filled in with rivets and things, and just neatly, done in the correct colour. It's just very smartly done and finished very nicely. We continue to go around the outside of the vehicle, and this is where I like to look in the reflections here down the side of the van, just looking how clean and straight that is. To my eye, this is all absolutely original down here. There's no signs of any previous repairs or anything like that. It looks absolutely spot on. There's a tiny little mark I can just see there, and we can just neatly again touch that in, but otherwise it's looking absolutely stunning. It really is. Tiny little touching just there, a little sort of hairline mark just there, but I'm being picky. It is looking absolutely stunning. Down the sides then, you've got these little wheel arch sort of protectors or wheel arch extensions that have been added on there. The van is lowered on lowering springs, so you've got Eibach 45mm lowering springs on here, and that is accompanied with the ever popular Navis Twin-5 gloss black alloy wheels, my personal favourite Volkswagen Transporter alloy wheel. I had these exact wheels on my own Transporter van, and I love them. I think they work so well. The profile of the wheel matches the Sportline-style sidebars, which have also been added again in gloss black as well, but a great quality alloy. We never get these cracking or buckling or anything like that, and I think suit the van so nicely. If we open up the passenger side loading door, then this gives us a look at the seats from this angle. So you can see, as I say, it's set up as a 2+1 split rear seating configuration. You've got ISOFIX compatibility across all 3 of the rear seats. You can flip this seat forward like so to give you some access into the back, and this is where you can see a representation really of how this looks from the inside. As I say, on the outside you've got glass all the way around, but at the back, as I say, that is a dummy glass, so you've inside then it gives you a little bit more privacy and actually have a whole side there to fix something to or lean something against as well, which I think is a benefit, but as I say, looks nicer from the outside. But yes, you can flip this seat forward into this position. If you pull on this handle just here, that releases that seat completely from the floor then as well, and of course you can remove this double seat also. So pulling on this tab there, that folds the seat down in half, and you can do that with this seat just by pulling, as I say, on that tab, and you can fold that seat down in half like so. As I say, you can do that with the double also, so you can very quickly, with these being quick release seats, you can have all of these seats out of here in no time at all. You can also see as well, another factory option extra on this one is that this one was spec'd with twin side loading doors, so really nice feature to have on this example. I think is a big selling point for this van, and of course colour, no VAT, but twin side loading doors is a big one for this van as well. But yes, looking at the condition here in the back, as they all fresh conversion, it looks absolutely spot on. So open up the passenger door, then have a look inside here. So again, just have a look at the step, the floor. Again, the previous owner has really clearly looked after the van, as they had it from brand new, and they have put these proper genuine rubber overmats in here, which is always very nice. Another factory optional extra then, this one is spec'd with cab carpet, so again that helps to deaden down the sound and really of course ties in well with all the carpet lining in the back now, with the full wallet and everything in there. This one is set up as a 6-seater, so you've got dual passenger seat just here, and of course you can flip this forward. Under here then you've got the toolkit. We always put an extra wheel brace in here because of course the wheel nuts are different from the wheel brace on what you'd get from standard, and then you've got your detachable tow bar underneath there as well, all nicely stowed out of the way, and we'll come around to a bit more of the spec when we go around to the driver's side in just a second. Now, service history, we do also have an exceptional service history with this vehicle. It's been serviced 4 times in the mileage that it currently has, so it's probably been potentially over serviced, if anything. Not that that's really possible, but it has been serviced more than it has been needed, which is of course just another sign of how well the previous owner has looked after this vehicle. We've got gloss black wing mirrors, which I think is a really nice touch. As standard they would come colour coded in the body colour, but I think when you've got the glass all around, I think they tie in very, very nicely indeed. Around to the front then, another factory optional extra. This one has got the LED headlights. Very nice touch there. You've got the gloss black grills. Again, all of these have been changed, so gloss black all upper grills here, gloss black all on the lower grills, and then of course you've got the gloss black splitter which has been added also. And I think when you tie all of that in, especially on a lighter colour, Ascot Grey is probably the best selling or most desirable colour, I should say, on a Volkswagen Transporter. When you tie in the gloss black elements which have been added with the wheels and things against that colour, I think it looks absolutely stunning. In terms of condition here at the front, you're going to get maybe the odd tiny little stone chip here or there, but it is in really exceptional order. There's no issues here at all. It's very, very nice indeed. Something else that was spec'd on this van was tyre pressure monitoring system, so that was spec'd on this from brand new as well. And then finally on the outside here, just looking down the driver's side, you can just see how clean and straight that is down there. Very, very smart indeed. So say twin side loading doors, you can gain access here from both sides, which is a big, big bonus. Especially of course anytime you're carrying passengers in the back of you, just having that option to get in from both sides, particularly if you're carrying children and you're going to put a child seat in here. You're going to clamber over from the other side. You can do it from either side, which, as I say, is a big bonus. Opening up the driver's door, there's more optional extras in here, don't worry. So, looking at the condition here of the driver's door card, the step, the floor, it's all, as I say, been really, really well maintained. It has got 3 remote keys with it. So you've got an extra remote key on there. You've got electric windows, electric heated folding mirrors, auto light, auto wipers. Of course, leather multifunctioning steering wheel on the left-hand side. Then you've got your adaptive cruise control. On the right-hand side, you've got your onboard computer controls just there. 48,730 miles recorded. You can see it's all idling correctly. No warning lights or anything like that on the dashboard. And then a couple more optional extras here. Satellite navigation, so Discover Media Sat Nav. So a few benefits of this. Of course, you've got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which you get on the standard Highline van, but on the larger sat-nav screen like this, just this bigger flush screen, you get it wirelessly. So once you've connected your phone to this via Bluetooth, every time you jump in the van, you've got Apple CarPlay or Android Auto straight on here without having to plug into one of those USBs down there. For me, that's the biggest bonus of Discover Media Nav. You've also then got, of course, satellite navigation, so this works on GPS as opposed to Apple CarPlay and things, which will work on your phone signal, so that is a nice touch as well. And as I say, of course, you do get that bigger screen. When you put the vehicle into reverse, that is where your reversing camera is displayed just there as well. And then finally, last optional extra is you've got the heated seats as well. You also get heated windscreen, that comes as standard. And then down to the left hand side, as I say, you've got a couple of USB-Cs there and a 12-volt socket. 7-speed DSG automatic gearbox. There's a tiny little mark just here, a bit of an odd 2 marks there, little white marks at the bottom. Don't know what they are, but they are there. If I can see it, I will point it out to you. So just to summarise then, this is a 2021 on a 71 plate Volkswagen Transporter. It is a Highline panel van, 204 brake horsepower, 7-speed DSG automatic gearbox, but spec'd new with a ton of optional extras, including the LED headlights, which anyone who's watched my videos before on transporters will tell you that is the first option I would be ticking. You've got twin side-loading doors, Discover Media Nav, cab carpet, heated seats. It is a really, really nice spec. And then you've, of course, got the detachable tow bar underneath there and the reversing camera as well. On top of that, it's got a full styling package on here with the Eibach lowering springs, the Navis Twin-5 alloy wheels, of course mud flaps as well, they were from factory. You've got the sidebars, roof bars, rear spoiler, gloss black front grills, gloss black lower splitter, full Kombi conversion in the back with a flush side opening windows, the dummy glass in the rear quarters and glass in the barn doors, 2+1 rear seating, carpet lining, and of course that full headlining with the LED spotlights as well. On top of that, as I say, with it being no VAT, a fantastic spec in probably the best colour. On top of that, it's been impeccably serviced. So you've got 4 previous services that have been carried out, most recently in February of 2026. So it is absolutely all ready to go. Bridgend Van Care put it right through. It's gone right through Bridgend Van Care, our van specialist workshop, and they've done a multi-point health check and a new MOT on it, which has got no advisories. So the van is, as I say, absolutely ready to drive away straight away. If you'd like to see the full advert, head over to our website there, bridgendvans.co.uk. That's where you'll find the price, the description, and the photography of this van, and of course all of the others that we have currently got advertised. It will be supplied with 12 months AA warranty, and you can upgrade that to 2 years or 3 years. So to go to 2 years, it's 399 plus VAT. To go to 3 years, it's 599 plus VAT. We can deliver our vehicles nationwide as well. So if you're not local to us here in sunny South Wales, we can deliver this directly to your door. We can also take cars or vans in part exchange, and we can arrange funding at very competitive rates, whether that be for private individuals or for limited companies. I would suspect it'll be private individuals on this particular van with a no VAT status. But rates at the moment, at the time of recording, of course, I say subject to acceptance and status, starting as low as 9.9% APR. Thank you very much for watching.